Ever tried explaining tech to a fish? Picture this. You're trying to explain a cell phone to a goldfish. It's a device that lets you talk to anyone in the world, you say excitedly. The goldfish, staring blankly from its bowl, just blinks. You see, the goldfish living in its watery world can't grasp the concept of a cell phone. It's limited by its own experience. It's like trying to explain color to someone born blind. Their reality is shaped by what they can perceive. The goldfish, in its two-dimensional world, can only see things in terms of left, right, forward, and backward. Height, depth, those are as foreign to a goldfish as a phone call.
Imagine the goldfish watching you walk by. To the goldfish, you're not a three-dimensional being moving through space. Nope. To them, you're a shape that changes as you pass their field of vision. They might see a hand appear, then disappear, then reappear. Magic. They wouldn't understand the concept of behind because their world is essentially flat. Just like that goldfish, we humans have our limitations too. We're trapped in our own three-dimensional world, trying to make sense of things beyond our grasp.
Think about it. We experience length, width, and height. But what about a fourth dimension, or a fifth? Our brains aren't wired to comprehend that. It's like trying to explain the internet to a caveman. They wouldn't have the context, the framework, to understand we're like that caveman, looking at the vastness of the universe, scratching our heads. There could be entire dimensions existing right alongside us, and we'd be none the wiser.
Now imagine a skeleton trying to explain its own existence. I used to have muscles and organs. It might rattle excitedly. But how do you explain muscles and organs to something that's never experienced them? The skeleton, in its skeletal wisdom, understands its own reality. But to explain it to something outside that experience, it's a hilarious, impossible task. And that's us, folks, stuck in our three-dimensional world, trying to understand the universe and everything beyond. It's enough to make you chuckle.